Please don't interrupt me. Political prisoners? In Armenia, political prisoners? You are mistaken. You are not informed. You are mistaken. There are no political prisoners in Armenia. Shant Harutyunyan perpetrated a crime. If in the United States someone perpetrated act of hooliganism, won't that person be addressed? We're a very interesting people, and quite often such things can happen, and I think it is alright. It is a free country, and everyone has the right to speak